On the night of January 21st, Mr. Pramesh was violently hit by a speeding vehicle while crossing the road in the Paiturbazar area of Kailashahar. He was immediately taken to GB hospital for treatment. However, after a long struggle for his life, he succumbed to his injuries today. On the night of the 21st, Mr. Pramesh was violently hit by a speeding bike with registration number TR02K5682 while crossing the road in the Paiturbazar area of Kailashahar. The impact threw him onto the road. According to locals, he sustained a severe head injury and suffered heavy bleeding. He was immediately rescued and rushed to the Kailashahar Unakoti District Hospital. However, as his condition deteriorated, doctors referred him to the GB hospital in Agartala for advanced treatment. Following a long battle at GB hospital, he passed away today. The medical team did everything they could, but unfortunately, he could not be saved. Reported by Uttam Dev from Kailashahar, Chini, Khorang.